In this video, I will show you or teach you how to write electron configuration of an element in just about 20 seconds or more depending on the atomic number. So look, you usually distribute electron in S subshell, P subshell, D subshell and F subshell. So this is your first subshell, this is second, this is third and this is fourth. That is SPDF. You know that S subshell can hold maximum 2, P subshell can hold maximum 6, D subshell can hold maximum 10 and F subshell can hold maximum 14. This is the basic thing you need to know. So let us consider this element, that is calcium, right? Calcium, you know that atomic number of calcium is 20. So how to write the electron configuration of calcium? So look, you know that you have SP, okay, I will write this thing here, SPDF, right? So you can write like this. So at first you have to consider the S subshell. So you have to write S subshell just once, SS you have to write. Then you have to write PS and you have to write it twice. Then you have to write DPS, right? And you have to write it twice, DPS. And then you have to write FDPS. So FDPS. You can write FDPS more than 2, right? So what is the sequence that you need to memorize? Say with me: SS, PS, DPS, FDPS. That is, look, SS, PS, DPS, FDPS. So to distribute 20 electrons, you have to put here 2, 4, 10, 12, 18, 20. So already you have distributed all the electrons that are available in calcium. So you don't need this subshell. Now you know that S start from 1s, then it will be 2s, it will be 3s, it will be 4s, okay. Then P start from 2p, then it will be 3p, right? So this is the electron configuration of calcium. So what will be the electron configuration of calcium 2 plus? You know that in a neutral atom of calcium we have 20 electrons, but for this positive 2 charge we have to deduct 2 electrons. That is, we have 18 electrons in calcium 2 plus. So we have to deduct 2 electrons from its neutral electron configuration, and we have to deduct from the outermost shell, that is the highest, from the highest value of n. Here highest value of n is 4. So from 4 subshell we have to delete 2 or remove 2. So now this is the electron configuration of calcium 2 plus. Okay. Let us write the electron configuration of let's say silicon 14. So at first you have to write the sequence of the subshell: SS, PS, DPS, then FDPS. You can write any number of FDPS. So let us distribute these 14 electrons: 2, 4, 10, 12, then 14. So you don't need this subshell for silicon. Now place number. S start from 1s, 2s, 3s. P start from 2p, 3p. So this is the electron configuration of silicon. So how can you write the electron configuration of 2 plus? So first write the electron configuration of neutral silicon atom, then you have to deduct 2 electron from the outermost shell. So here n equal to 3 is the outermost shell, and so from which you will remove 2 electrons. You have to remove from the 3p, because look, the n plus l value for 3s equals 3 plus 0, that is 3, and for here 3 plus 1 equal to 4. So this is the highest energy level, sub level, right? So 3p. You know that L equal to 0 means S subshell, 1 means P subshell, D means 2 subshell, and F means 3 subshell. That is L equal to 0 means S subshell, 1 means P subshell, 2 means D subshell, and 3 means F subshell. So the energy of 3s is n plus L. By using n plus L we can calculate the energy. So 3 and 3 plus 1 4. So our electron will go from the highest energy subshell. So this is the electron configuration of silicon 2 plus.